Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to block someone on Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that you can block using your mobile device as well, and I am currently focusing on the web version. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's just say I want to block this person. Now here's what I can do about it. Right here at the very top right of this specific profile, you will find these three dots. Simply click on it and something like this will pop up. It's gonna give you two options, whether you want to block or just block and report. The choice is up to you. Right now I'm only focusing on how to block, so I'm gonna click the first option. Once you've clicked on block, something like this will pop up asking whether you only want to block or block and report. The choice is up to you. For now, I simply want to click on yes block. And guys, that's it. That's how we block someone on Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.